and fun to look at Frankenstein from a bunch of different perspectives. You know, a medical history perspective, a musical perspective, a fragrance perspective, an emotional perspective. That's actually really fun, and it makes the book come to life a lot more.
I didn't really know what to expect when we walked in the door. I particularly enjoyed where they took the barometric measurements while we were reading a passage from Frankenstein, and seeing how your heart rate changed and things like that was really interesting.
I love how it shows you both the book but also the general context and world in which he is supposed to have been created in.
I read Frankenstein in school, but I didn't realise how much of the backstory there was. I knew there were writers involved, but I didn't know they're all together in one house and the vampires were born the same night.
It's been a really fun experience, like all the different performances and talks. It's been a really nice atmosphere. Coming to Senate House, seeing it in a different way, and the kind of costumes over the whole atmosphere has been really fun.
I spend a lot of time on the cabaret scene, so I see a lot of sort of out there productions of things. This is far more professionally put together than some of the shows that I see. It's just a wonderfully different time. I almost feel like this is Halloween.